morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you're getting our videos from. From me, from here is good evening. Sorry, men and women, you say that I haven't been online for some days. I haven't do broadcast and all that. I was kind of busy. I'm in the business trip, so we are doing some conference. The conference will last from now to 15th of April. So from there, let's see. So, but I will still be making sure that I will be coming out live. I will be coming up. And to give you people updates. So thank you, men and women. Thank you, all freedom lovers. Thank you, all of you good people that is here today that will watch this program. I say, may God bless you all. I welcome you all, men and women. I welcome you, lovers of freedom. I welcome you among all the Biafrans. So, as you are getting this video, please do us a favor, subscribe to this very channel and share our videos to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say, may God, may Him bless you. May God, share our videos and share it to every other platform. As you are doing that, you are helping us into this very platform. You are helping us to grow more. So that is why it's very needful that you subscribe and you share our videos and you drop your comment. It doesn't take you anything to subscribe to the channel, or like the video. Subscribe and like the video. That is how you are helping us and you are helping this gospel to continue preaching. As you're doing that, I say, may God, bless you. I'm sorry because of my voice. We are still in a conference place where we're in the conference. So, but later I will tell you people about that. I will explain that. I will be putting some videos so that you people will see what exactly we are doing. This is how to empower communities, how to make community to be more better. That is what we are doing. So I will come and explain. When we are done, I will explain. I will be sending videos so that you guys will see what we are really doing. How to empower community, how to empower people to be progress in life. That is what we are doing. So let's ride on. Let's just move so fast because I will not like this video to be so long because of we are still here. You are still be seeing we are just having some breaks, just to have some coffees. So we continue where we stop. So, but today there was something that is I always ask a question. I always ask this question. I say, I don't really understand what exactly that is going on in this very movement that we are now, in this very struggle. That I don't know what exactly that is going on because of everywhere looks like it's so quiet. You know, everywhere is so quiet, nothing is happening, nobody is talking about our leader, nobody is talking about our PM, which is Simon Ekpa. Nobody is speaking about him. So all these things is when I was like, what are we really doing? What this Biafra? Are we really, did we really want freedom? That is what I'm asking the indigenous people of Biafra and the Igbos. Because of I can see the man they call Ato Israel. That is the kind of people you have in Igbo land. He was giving IDB 500 million with all the, I will come to that very program with all the things that he done. He said that the IBB is that I will come with that program. I have it. But now let's talk to people who like freedom, people who understand how freedom works. You understand? People who are anxious, who are angry for freedom. You know that when you are angry for something, you must do something. Because of keeping quiet over our prime minister, and you people have seen what the kind of shamburi that happened in that zoological republic court. You see the kind of shrine they have there, they call court, what they did to our leader, and the people still keep quiet. And this man stood up because of I can see that Igbos they don't really want freedom on my own understanding because of many Igbo people want to continue living the life that the Fulanese herdsmen and the life, of slavery. That is what you can understand with life of Igbo. That is why somebody like Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, Ohaneze Ndi Oshi na Ndị Ama, Ohaneze Ndị Guru Fulani can open up, can open their ọnụ ha na-esi isi on top of ọbara ndị mmadụ si tirimpu ya nye ha osnobu 10 trillion naira. So 10 trillion for you to know that the people, these people that you have respect so much and you call you, that is why anytime because of our people, when you are trying to tell them the truth, they don't want to listen. They want to see where there is gossip or all this is. No, but it's better that I tell you the truth the way it is. That is why I always hit on my platform. I say that the problem that we the Igbos, we the Biafrans have is our political leaders, is our governors, is our religious leaders. All these people are the problem that we are facing. The earlier you realize it is better. Because of how can Obanese and Dama, we see how many millions of life of men and the women that was wasted for nothing sake. Ndaka hand docha, or in 1 year, if you need to hand pabo, senior 10 trillion naira. Is it the kind of life you want to live? And about these people, look at what is happening in Igbo land. Ali Igbo, Fulani herdsmen have invented Ali Igbo. Ali Igbo na agba agara agara. Many people, I will come. There is many messages I have to drop because of I haven't settled down because of the conference we are having. That is why I can't really come up. But I want to tell our people, Ali Igbo na agba agara agara. So if you people, our youth, if you don't rise up now, Fulani have come. These jihadists you are hearing, look at, I saw one video in the Ladepo market, how the market was like burning fire. These are people's business, these are people's livelihood, these are people's property. Do you know how many people that will collapse? That is why when I say this is, I say when are these people called Igbo is going to realize where is their problem. Anytime that you people realize who is your problem and you channel your energy to that problem, that is why solution will begin to come out. Than channeling your energy where you know there is no problem. You understand? You are now, you see the governor, you see the elite, the political elite, you see your religious elite, where they channel their energy mostly are where the people who is agitating for their own freedom, for their unborn generation freedom. That is where they channel their energy. There was a very sad something I was watching one broadcast yesterday. I was cooling down watching this broadcast from Biafra Unite channel. What I saw in that very broadcast, somebody calling, he said that he was calling all the way from a Hamufu on that broadcast. I will play his voice due to the where I am. That is why my voice is slow because I'm not in a comfortable place where you'll be making noise. You understand? So bear with me, brothers and sisters. Everybody should bear with me, okay? So I have to speak in a calm language. So I hope that people will be hearing me. So what I'm telling you here, this man calling on a platform of Biafra Unite, he said that in a harmful the day that killing, that Fulani herdsmen came with their military and everything, then come there. This guy was exposing that commanders, over 5 commanders of Biafra Liberation Army, that then find out yesterday that over 5 commanders had been by on that day. I say, okay, if commanders are being high, that is where I say that I don't really know what exactly, whether our people want freedoms or not. That is why I ask this question. Because of when Mazi Simon Ekpa was here, all these things, Nigerian government are on the panicking. Apart from that, Nigerian government are on the panicking. You understand? Everybody were on the panicking. So now, then taking out of the way. This is just like a revolution that somebody gave me. Later, I will do broadcast about that revolution. When before our prime minister was kidnapped, this person was telling me that, and is a political person. He's into politics. This person that gave me this information. I will come when I will do video for that separate. And exactly what this man told me is what I saw that is happening right now in this very struggle. Nobody is now talking about Mazi Simon Ekpa. Nobody is talking about our leader, Mazi Namdu Bukane. These two great men who has been there. I have been pumping on this. I have been beating on this. I have been hitting on this for everybody, men and women, to wake up and rise up to their conscience. That is why I say that if you are here in this struggle with the honest and the truth, God must surely bless you. God must surely ị ga-ebube ga-aba gị n'arụ. Ebube ahụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ, ebube ahụ Maazị Simon Ekpa bụ, will come on you without nobody telling you, because of when you say, a sị na mgbe ala okwu Jehova, a sị na ọbara Chukwu, ọbara Jehova tasara n'ala, ala gịnị ama jijiji. Maka okwu ọnụ gị ga-abụ, because of when that spirit of truthness, that spirit that captured our leader, that spirit that captured our PM, Prime Minister, our Prime Minister, Master Simon Ekpa. If that spirit capture you, any word you said, alebide majiji. But for now, what I'm seeing is a lot of gossiping. That is what you'll be seeing on the social media. Gossiping about this one is gossiping about that one. You'll be seeing Ogen Kere with his team, they are one side gossiping. All these men, because of their attitude and their character, is really showing me that these men and the women are not here for freedom. That baffles me a lot. When I see this kind of thing, okay, the commanders, the people, the boots on the ground, who have to secure our land, who have to secure our property, look at what exactly that is happening with them now. Many have been quiet. These ones they are talking about in a Hamuko, that is the one you do. We haven't know the one in other places. As long as in other, we haven't know there is other ones. These people have been doing this. What they are doing is exactly what happened during the extraordinary rendition of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They started killing the great men secretly. Nobody knows. Now, our people in the other say we ran. Instead of talking about the reality, hala into gossiping. This one will say, Nka say. So now this is what the enemy wants, to channel your mind to another different places. So where they are doing their job underground. That is why I am saying that we have to raise a protest. We have to stand on our feet. We have to stand on our feet, and our voice need to be raised no matter what. We have to raise our voice, because of if you keep quiet in this thing that is happening, mmiri ga-ama onye ukwu, ọma onye ukwu ọma onye nta, ọ ga-ama ohu ma nna ya ukwu. Onweghị onye ndị save ma gị nwa nna arụsabụ, ma gị nwa sị na ị na-ehepụ Nigerian government, but helping them in all these things you are saying na ihe bụcha ha na what is it going to be there? Okay, if you are get, that is the problem, that is the question. What you are going to get, you will lose your land. You can lose your land. Apart from that, you will lose your land. Though. You lose your land, your life itself, I don't know the guarantee. So, Obiabo Dikando, is that the kind of life you want to be living, brothers and sisters? Instead of you standing on the truth, instead of you standing on justice, instead of you standing on equity, what is very, very serious to every one of them is power. Power and the money. Power and the money. So Muna Ajo, what I'm asking, maybe this kind of life, people give one with a rule, my brothers and sisters. Don't be my question. People didn't go and do any way. Now nobody is talking about Mazi Simon. This is an must. Everybody, anywhere you are, in every platform, you have to start talking about this. Let's forget about this gossip and focus. Look at the Ambazonia people have focus and face what is facing them. You understand? The earlier you realize this is better. Because Anibunaga, this Fulani herdsmen we are talking about, these Fulani herdsmen in terrorist uniform, in police uniform, in muftis, these people in no pity. Even Maui can narrow governor, because of they want to use all these ones that governor may recruit on their own, to have more men that will be doing their dirty job for them. And our people now are volunteering, are doing that job. When a lot of fire is happening in Igbo land, a lot of fire is happening in our land. So is that the kind of life that somebody like you want to do? You understand? So Obodi can do na keda chibi. Is that the kind of life that you want to live all the rest of your life? That is the question. And now we have to raise protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa. Protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa all over the world because of what is happening. I don't understand what is happening. I don't understand what is going on in this very present thing that is going on now, in this very situation that we are facing here now. Many people have lose life, many people have lose money in this very struggle, in this very job. You understand? So somebody taking such people for granted, you are, I don't know what I, that person, oh no, the man that person said, if this or Hanezendi Bunandu Shinanda Maka Unya Homa, because of Ndika Potara opening the Gapena Abo Sabu directly. And you are there now helping them now doing this their secret work. Eh? Wait, let me play this video. I know there is noise here, my people. We have to go back, you know. So, but let me just play this video for you to hear. This is the guy who calling from a harmful. He was reviewing what happens that over 5 commanders have been gone. So check is if commanders have become what of other men, other boots that is on the ground. Even children, but what of the boss working under these commanders? That's my question. So people need keep quiet as if everything is fine. That is when we must raise the protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa. We must. That is a must. We must do this. We must to start rising up. We have to start doing something. We have to start propagating this. We have to start anyhow we are going to do this protest, but this should be the priority. We have to do that because of we have been sitting down for long, we have been waiting for long. So we can't take this anymore. That is what I'm trying to say. Please, brothers and sisters, as you are getting this video, make sure subscribe to this very channel because I don't want this to be long. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe there, and then like the video and then share our video to every other platform. As you are doing that, I say may God may God bless you. Let's hear from this video before we call it a day.
Okay. Mama, this my brother grew up now last. Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Listen.
Mama, this my brother grew up about the person grew up last support it. Short protest. Then it is short anything. This is for reason. Down. Well, I go to know when I'm sitting my brother now. Who I was not a leader. Because some don't cause on in it, I'm a leader. Not like leader. But then I'm not born into in a get multi this night. And I'm Is this your back? Is this your back? Mazi, I'm for this night. Oh, they have moved. Oh, go on. Isuzu. Go ahead. Yam the way on another buyer. Then do the cafe, go and tell it and the Uncle Basic. Sorry, I said in the beginning that I don't want to direct this broadcast to anybody. Sorry, sir. Go ahead. Sorry, sir. Some guys say that way, so this struggle now. Since I'm running arrest, every day people are saying, "What you call?" What you call? Can I can't cook it? I know never today. What you call? Look, someone never cook it. I know never today. What you call? Look, now cook it. I know never today. I cannot hear. Yes, you're I'm from now. Since that day, one of the two people that will send there, somebody to take care of confirm. Now, I'm going to command the buy, that's not a buy now. They put almost a couple of them. My dad to take a confirm, right? Confirm, they tell of the people now. They see that I make call. Then we help, nothing. My my brother, but now brother only see that is already. The amount of money before. No, she said, Mary, when you say arrest, it's a more person no we arise. No do this fight. There's not a more fight there against the guy before him. We are gonna follow those guys, Simon. But now, you know, cooking at the moment to cook. But I only see, I am going to see now. It's cook that drama. Was ending up on this platform this evening. So now I took that drama pray. He said, the moment to this evening, I God bless everybody.
May God bless you too, Mazi. That was so emotional. He said he's calling from Ehamufu, and we all know what happened to Ehamufu a couple of days ago and what is still happening there in Ehamufu till today. According to this scholar, he said that about 5 commanders that we have in Ehamufu, now they confirmed today, they confirmed today.
Brothers and sisters, you have heard him. You know, commanders in the name of Nebuchadnezzar, and Otan Apoishi to the name in other places, and we keep quiet and saying that everything is fine. Who didn't that actually? We have to rise up. We have to raise protest for Mazi Simon Ekpa. We have to raise protest because of this is only hope that can bring out our leader out, which is our supreme leader. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only hope that can bring it out. So we continue doing all these things, doing all this gossip on social media, going up and down. This is not gonna help. What is gonna help? We have to raise protest. We have to let our voice hear all over the world. As we are doing this, as you are getting this video, I say subscribe to this very channel and share our videos, like this video. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. People who have subscribed to this channel, I say God bless you in whatever you are doing in this life. I say may God bless you in the name of Chugo Kikabia. Let me send a comment section from me from here is good evening. See you again tomorrow.